Measurement tools work on reducing risks of particle contamination in wafer cleansing process. As semiconductor manufacturing process shrinks to nano level, the standard of defect needs to be redefined. Current liquid particle counter can only identify particles and impurities of over 20 nanometers. The core technology of Supersizer is using aerosols for measurement. Our measurement tools can detect impurity and particle sizes down to 3 nanometer in chemical solutions, free from nanobubble interferences. We will continue to develop measurement tools for different chemicals. International certification is expected in 2022, and global business will be launched afterwards.